everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve quadratic equation by completing the square method. So the very first thing we are going to do is to make sure the coefficient of x square is 1. So here we are going to solve the equation x square minus 8x plus 11 equal to 1. And in this case, the coefficient of x square is 1. So if it is not, we have to divide the entire equation by coefficient of x square or take out commonly the coefficient of x square so that the coefficient of x square is 1. The next step is to take the constant to the right hand side of the equal to sign. In this case, the constant is 11. Take it to the right hand side, so it will become x square minus 8x equal to 1 minus 11. So x square minus 8x equal to negative 10. Then the next step is to take the coefficient of x and find half of that. Here the coefficient of x is negative 8. Let us find out half of that. It is negative 4. The basic idea is to add the square of this number on both the side of equal to sign. So minus 8 divided by 2 is minus 4. So x square minus 8x minus 4 square. So you can write 4 square and 4 square minus 10. Let's write this in brackets. How to write this in a bracket? X minus half of coefficient of x. X minus half of the coefficient of x, that is 4. Here we are putting a negative sign because the coefficient of x is negative here in this case. Otherwise, if the coefficient of x is positive, you have to put positive sign. Which is equal to 4 squared minus 10. That is 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. Next, we want to get rid of this square because we want to solve for x. But how to do that? By taking the square root on both the sides. So our equation becomes x minus 4 is equal to when you take square root on both the sides, here you have to put a plus or minus sign, and this is square root of 6. Next step is to find x, make x as a subject, so bring this negative 4 to the other side, so you will get x equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 6. So here x equal to 4 plus square root of 6 and x equal to 4 minus square root of 6 are the two solutions. So in this way, we can find a solution for a quadratic equation by completing the square method. Let us see one more example, this time with the coefficient of x square not equal to 1. So this is a quadratic function. And here in this function, the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1. So first we will take out the negative 3 commonly outside. So minus 3 open bracket x square, and here it will become minus 4x plus 2. So now the next step is to take the coefficient of x. In this case it is negative 4. Find half of it. Here it is 2. So now add and subtract 2 square. X square minus 4x plus 2 square minus 2 square and plus 2. So this term can be written as minus 3. You have to write x minus half of the coefficient of x, that is 2, the whole square, minus 2 square and plus 2. Minus 3 multiplied by x minus 2, the whole square, minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 square. So negative and negative will become positive. 3 multiplied by 2 square, that is 3 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 12 plus 2. So minus 3 multiplied by x minus 2, the whole square, plus 14. Maximum and minimum values of a quadratic function. The general form of a quadratic function f of x is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are constants. The shape of the graph of the function f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c is called parabola. The orientation of the parabola depends on the value of a, that is the coefficient of x square. If a is greater than 0, the curve has a minimum point that occurs at the lowest point of the curve. Here. And similarly, if a is less than 0, the curve has a maximum point that occurs at the highest point of the curve, that is here. This point is the vertex of the parabola. A point where the gradient is 0 is called a stationary point or a turning point. Every parabola has a line of symmetry that passes through the vertex. Completing the square is an alternative method that can be used to help to sketch the graph of quadratic function. Let us consider f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and it is written in the form f of x equal to a multiplied by x minus h the whole square plus k. Then the line of symmetry is x equal to h, which is equal to minus b over 2a. This is the line of symmetry of the parabola. if coefficient of x square, that is a, is greater than 0, then there is a minimum point at h comma k. So from this equation we can find out what is the minimum value, that is h comma k. And similarly, if the coefficient of x square is less than 0, there is a maximum point at h comma k, and this point is the h comma k. Let us take that as an example. F of x equal to negative 3 multiplied by x minus 2 the whole square plus 14. So in this case the a value is negative 3, so which is less than 0. So there is a maximum point for this graph, for this quadratic function. The maximum point is h comma k. So here h is 2 and k is 14. So the maximum point is 2 comma 14. And the line of symmetry in this case is x equal to